Hello, welcome to Tuesday's tip from the workshop. Today we're back at the Go Bar deck. You may remember before I had told you about the spring-loaded Go Bar, but here's another tip that's simple, but sometimes the simple things can make a big difference, and this did for me, so I'll share this with you now. It is yoga mats. I take a yoga mat, used to use carpet, and then I used carpet padding, and then I found that the yoga mat works perfectly for this. It's the right amount of compression, the right amount of softness. I'll just buy a yoga mat and cut it up. It'll last for decades. And put it on the Go Bar deck between the Go Bars, piece of wood, and the bracing. So when I'm clamping, I have a piece of yoga mat between the stuff that I'm clamping. Now what happens with that, what I've noticed was that when I was just using carpet, there'd be, so to my surprise, even though I'm fitting the bracing in the with the sandpaper and the curvature of the sandpaper, and it's all being pushed in place, a lot of times I would see little gaps under the edges of the bracing. By putting this little padding in here, it acts as a little bitty shock absorber, and suddenly no more gaps. So this little simple thing not only protects the wood from the surface that you're clamping on, but the padding acts as a reinforcing from the bottom side of the piece of wood that you're clamping to. So it's a neat little trick. I just backed into it by mistake and it works great. So hopefully it'll help you be happy building guitars.